What about Willem?
Any contact at all?
Nothing.
Are you even trying?
Metri has no right making them leave, and neither do you.
If they die here, it's on me.
It's on them.
He's on the inners for
It's
fighting
their
over them.
choice.
And Jules Pierre Mal for his experiments, and Avasarala for sending us, and some aliens for creating the proto-molecule and shooting it at Earth.
And it's on
And Belters too, for coming here,
the day not using them.
for taking hostages now. They're not children.
They have no idea what's really going on.
Explain it to them.
Tell them the truth, and let them decide for themselves.
Yes. They're not children,
You
again.
know, I don't know if you're hungry or nothing, but
I'm not sure that she's still alive, you know?
you alright in there?
Not sure. Oh, she's not dead. Thank you. I'm beginning to like her. Even if she did that stupid thing. What is it?
I'm sorry. I just gotta need some blood. Kiss in. Listen to me, I need your help, okay? I've never done this before.
Say it.
Help me, please.
Don't die. You have a daughter.
Do not make me tell your daughter I have to let you die. Fucking tell me what to do.
Please. Yes. You have to take all of this blood out. Suture. Or burnt. Or... Come on, Alex. You're a good pilot. You can do it. Pilot also that thing. You did it.
Got it. You get it.
Lucia.
You're gonna be alright. Sorry I yelled at you.
Lucia. You have a daughter. You have people counting on you. You can't. I don't like that.
Mercury orders you to go in. Don't go.
You're trying to protect her?
If someone see you get shot over this.
Hmm?
I'm armed! Oh shit.
Alden.
Me and him. I want to talk.
Yes, please.
And my opponent exploits political connections to jump the line and take the spot.
The documents that she left. Chris Ren knew better than that than using that.
George Cantor was my first alternate. When I got my appointment at the regional government, I hired George to work with my policy research team. My second alternate was a woman named Lee Fan. She has become my top security consultant.
She's doing great.
6,000 people fight for one slot. And we say anyone can make it, certainly not everyone. We all know the system's broken. We all just want a
she's
chance.
winning right there.
We aren't afraid to work hard. And with 1,300 new solar systems, we can provide that opportunity for everyone, not just the colonists. What we deserve is a government that gives us a chance.
She had this one. What?
Exit now.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Yes, what is happening?
3 hours ago, this ship went off its course. The transponder ID serves as a sign-up. It's on a collision course with Sentinel-19.
Yes, right, Spotter. You brushed me off the surface of the planet, so obviously you're treating this like an attack.
This is the final. We are experiencing a minor failure of the computer system. They're working the correctly. We have children on board.
This message was sent 10 minutes after it went off course.
I don't know what you can decide.
This is a flash from Signal Intelligence. The drive signature on record also matches a colony ship called the Sojourner.
Kill it. Destroy the ship immediately.
I'm not sure it was a good call. You're not trusting the Belters? And you're gonna kill people? Oh, Chris Ren, I'm not sure.
This supposed attack never should have happened in the first place.
It was bad timing.
It happened. That's already too much.
I didn't deserve to be saved.
Every human
You
deserves
should be.
it.
I've been where you are right now. I was young and in love with a boy who had a crazy plan. Attack reactor control program. He had a way to insert them into inner ships. Then we could turn off the drive, rescue them for a price later. And it wouldn't look like piracy. The first one we tried was the Augustine Camara. I know that name.
Me too.
It was the one that blew up in the docks at Luna. We killed 516 people.
Woo!
And he meant to do it again. I chose not to see what kind of man my lover was until it was too late. It was the last time he let me see my little boy.
Can we see him? Please tell me that he's alright.
So I almost walked out an airlock. Being dead seemed better.
You did?
I have a family now. Certainly
You
not
have.
one I would have expected. But I love them. And they love me.
Yes.
I have a life that I like living. I haven't had that. Not in years.
You can have it also. You deserve it.
To die. I can't stop you. But there is a path from where you are to where I am.
No, I'm not crying. I'm just having some tears.
Get the fuck off our planet! Then we send your people back to your home! What did you do to our
Did you tell them? Tell them the truth.
I know no one wants to back down. I know why all of you came to this place.
A legally binding charter of a legitimate government.
No government.
Shut the fuck up!
Planet in the sky.
But that's not why I'm here. This planet is not what you think it is. Protomolecule was somehow projecting him into my brain.
Yes.
The protomolecule was made to build the ring gates and report back when it was finished. It wants to reach its creators. They were killed.
This person in your head that no one else can see told you that.
I had a vision when I was inside the ring station. See why you didn't tell them.
Shut
I saw
up!
a record of the old civilization dying, and I think I saw what killed them all.
He's been right about everything so far. That thing in his head is giving him answers.
Oh, he's just
Thank you, Amos.
A few lucky guesses.
I have no reason to believe it'll stop once I'm gone.
There is no version of this where we abandon our charter and we leave these squatters and murderers in possession of this.
The coordinates that they gave you. What is it? What? That was a nuclear explosion? Oh, it's the end. That was a nuclear explosion, right? Why did we have an explosion like that? Who did it? Someone did it? Or, I mean, the proto, by being activated like that into these machines, they provoked it, but how? Or maybe they didn't provoke it and it was also the thunder? Or it was something else? We're gonna have more of that? Because we saw that we had more than just one island with that it, you know? What happened to that planet? I'm so lost with that, with what happened. Why is it so desertic? Why these bugs were still activated, you know? Why them and not the machine, you know, that Holden woke up like that by taking off the roots? I don't know why, but I'm not so sure about what Holden said, you know, the fact that the proto is just searching for the truth, searching for what happened to its creators. I'm not so sure of that. Like I said since the beginning, each time the proto is always having a purpose that we're not seeing at first, that we are seeing after that. I have trouble, you know, to trust the proto civilization. I have trouble to trust it. I'm not like, but it's not because I'm not trusting them that I believe that they're gonna do something wrong, they're gonna put us in danger and something like that. No, I'm not saying that they're gonna attack us, I'm not saying that they're gonna do something wrong. I'm just saying that there is something else. Not just that. There is another purpose than just that. Don't you think? Am I going too far by saying that? I don't know. I don't know why I have this impression, but I have it. Lucia, the storyline about Lucia during this episode was interesting, but was also really sad. She wanted to die. I mean, she didn't want them to save her. That means for me that she wanted to die. She was not thinking about her daughter, her husband, the people that are counting on her, are loving her. I don't like that. But where is her daughter? If she's not in the settlement, if she's not in the Rocinante, where is she? All of what we know about her is the fact that she wanted to go to university, you know, to go to school. Maybe she's in the Rocinante, but she's hiding? I don't know. The debate, the discussion, the interview, you know, of Chris Mann and her adversary, her political adversary, it was interesting to see that, to see what we are seeing us on screen now with our politics in this universe, with other planets, with stuff like that, with big decisions other than that. That was interesting. The decision that Chris Mann just made, I'm not sure of that. I'm not sure that she made the good one. Like, it was really this ship or not, I'm not sure of that. And if it was not this ship, and if she really killed civilian people, it's gonna be really bad for her. I mean, for the election, for the politics, that's gonna be really a bad thing for her. And I think that also Chris Mann, you know, she's a person with principles and with an idea of honor, and if she was wrong right there, she's gonna quit by herself, you know. She's not gonna even wait for lose the election, but she's gonna quit also because she lost her honor just right there if she made that decision and it was a wrong one. I don't know. I don't know if it was a good decision or not. I don't know if it was a good ship or not. But I'm pretty sure that if it was not the right decision because it was not the good ship, Chris Mann, that was a bad thing for her because of the election, but also because of her. It's gonna hurt her, and that's why I think that she can quit by herself, you know. She's that kind of woman. We'll see. Amos and his new girlfriend, I was really not expecting that coming from him. I mean, I said it, I saw the sexual tension between them, but not really a chemistry, really just sexual tension. But the fact that during this episode he was saying stuff like he didn't want her to be in danger and stuff like that, that's something that we already saw with him, you know. He was acting like that also during the last seasons with Prax and also with other characters. We already saw him being like that. When he's seeing good people, he wants to protect them. So we already saw that with other characters. But right there, because of the sexual tension that he has also with her, I'm like, can it be possible that at some point he's gonna have feelings for that woman also? I want more, you know. If you want to sell me that relationship as a real relationship, as something, you know, as a ship and all of that, you have to give me more than just that. You know, you have to give me moments when they are really talking and not just flirting or not just discussing about being dead or not being dead, you know. But why not? You know, during the last episode I was like, no, I'm not seeing Amos being like that, and with this episode seeing him talking like that to her, I'm like, why not? Maybe, why not? That was a really good episode, and I'm so mad, you know, I'm so sorry because I don't have the time to watch another episode today. So, normally, you know, at first I planned these 3 days, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, to finish the binge watching of the show, the 10 episodes on these 3 days, and I'm just at the half of it. I just watched the half of the season. I'm so mad at me because really I want to avoid spoilers with this show, with this season 4. Now that I'm really involved into it, I know that I'm following some people on Twitter who are also really into it, and I'm scared that I'm gonna have spoilers about this season without wanting it. I'm not sad, you know, because I know that they are just right there and I'm gonna see them, and I'm not really mad because, you know, I love my family and I love my friends and I love to spend time with them even more for my birthday. But I'm more like stressed because of the spoilers and frustrated because I knew that it was possible for me to watch all of this episode, but it was not really possible because of what happened into my life, what was not planned at first and stuff like that. I'm... fuck. Yes, I'm gonna have to stop today with this episode 5, and I don't know when I'm gonna see you again for the rest of the season. It's gonna be real quick. For you it's gonna be on another day or maybe on another week. Again, in the description you can check all of the dates of the days when I'm gonna post each reaction videos about each episode of this season 4. I'm gonna try to do that, to put you that into the description so you are not gonna ask me into the comments, when are you posting the next video, we want to see what's next and stuff like that. Please, first watch the episode on your own and then come and search for a reaction video about it. Reaction videos are not a streaming of the show. It's for sharing reactions with someone, it's for discussing about a show with someone, it's for, you know, sharing emotions and feelings and theories and stuff like that with someone. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right now, and it's all for The Expanse for today, for you and for me. So it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.